Porsche is a German automaker that has been around for more than 90 years. Starting with the 1938 release of the Porsche 64, it has created quite a few amazing high-performance cars, followed by a number of other exciting models. Even though Porsche offers top-of-the-line designs, features, and performances through its cars, some companies think they can improve them. Everybody knows tuner companies like Jimbala, RUF, Singer, and Tech Art, but today we take a look at a Porsche tuner that everyone forgot existed, Strosek. Vittorio Strosek, the founder of the company, studied hard for a year under legendary German designer Luigi Colani as a freelancer. He established his first business, Studio Automobile Design, in 1971 after becoming confident in his ability to modify contracts for various businesses. Eventually, Strosek established Strosek Auto Design in 1982 and focused on tuning Porsches there. Hi guys, welcome to Finest Vehicles. Today we will look at the craziest Porsches built by Strosek. And stay tuned, because somewhere in this video we will present a fun fact that you will find very interesting. Number 10. The 1994 Mega wide-body Speedster. Porsche produced a small number of limited edition Speedsters in 1994 to commemorate the end of the Type 964, which was produced from 1989 to 1994, and the start of the Type 993, which was produced from 1993 to 1998, with about 427 units made for the American market. This is one of 8 Strosek-tuned Porsche Speedsters, the last of the air-cooled models. Nearly every aspect of this Porsche has changed. The only sheet metal component that remains is the hood. It is now a Mega wide-body Speedster. Number 9. The 964 Anniversary Restomod. Strosek recently introduced this modified Porsche as a part of the commemorative Porsche 964 model. The car, which is only available in 30 examples, has the typical Strosek's nuances details, including an enlarged rear wing hood and a front end with LED indicators and headlights. The 3.8-liter 6-cylinder boxer engine of the Restomod is still in good working order, but it has been given an upgrade with a new manifold, dual-mass flywheel, camshaft, and a catchy trumpet sports exhaust system, which together have helped the engine reach an impressive output of 337 horsepower at 5,400 RPM. Number 8. The 964 Speedster. Only 15 examples of the modified Porsche 964 Speedster were produced by Strosek using this exact specification. Notably, this particular example has amazing details like the Strosek unique all-around widened body, tiny headlights, new exterior mirrors, shortened windshield, and its 2 Porsche seats. It once made it to the Bonham auction house. Adapted chassis, a 993 adapted spoiler with an integrated brake light, a radar detector, 17-inch OZ rims, and a 270 horsepower engine are a few additional gadgets. The car has a beautiful blue finish. Number 7. The 1977 Porsche 911. Another stunning 911 designed by Strosek. The car's exquisitely designed exterior easily attracts a lot of attention. This 1977 Porsche 911 sports the well-known cute tiny and round headlights, which are almost exclusive to Strosek. The car's technical specifications aren't well known, but it originally had a 2.7-liter flat-six engine, which we assume the Strosek team gave some attention to. The 911's amazing chrome 5-spoke disc wheels and the tastefully embellished smooth coat paint, however, stand out to everyone. Number 6. The 1995 Porsche 911 Cabriolet. This 1995 Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet, which was ordered through the European delivery program, was sent to Strosek's factory in Germany before traveling to New Jersey. That marked the start of the car's epic, protracted history. The exterior customization of this vehicle includes Strosek side skirts, bumpers, lower springs, 18-inch wheels, a rear wing, and amazing interior components. Its power comes from a 3.6-liter flat-six mated to the 6-speed manual transaxle. Additionally, Strosek painted the 911 Carrera Speed yellow, and the interior is primarily made of black leather. Number 5. The 1984 Porsche 928. Interestingly, Strosek's Porsche adventure began in 1984 with the 928. In the 1980s, this design was also Porsche's flagship model. This Porsche 928, worked on by Strosek in 1988, has undergone extensive modification. It has a brand new 17-inch OZPES headlights as well as Futura wheels. Additionally, Strosek removed the air intakes that were in front of the rear wheels and substituted a new rear spoiler for them. Strosek's newly added smaller window, which is fixed perpendicular to the roofline, significantly changed the design as well. Number 4. The California Car. One of the 8 Strosek Mega Speedsters built on the 964 Speedster that were brought into the country is shown here. Each of the vehicles was individually constructed, but this one, the Strosek Mega Speedster 3.8, also known as the California Car, seems to be the standout. Strosek rebuilt the Porsche 964 at the Ammersee-based factory, adding new front, rear, and side skirts that were all painted polar silver. A removable Strosek hardtop was also included with the California Car so that it could be driven as a Cabriolet. Number 3. The 1995 993 C2 Cabriolet. Here is one of the 38 Strosek widebody 993 Cabriolets that were produced in a small quantity between 1995 and 1997. This particular version shows luxury from top to bottom, and it is equipped with a number of incredible features, including air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, power brakes, power door locks, power windows, alarm system, and anti-lock brakes, among others. The Cabriolet, which is painted white, is propelled by a fuel injection engine and a Tiptronic transmission. Kenwood equipment and an iPad mini entertainment system are also included. Number 2. The Mega 30. In order to commemorate the 30th anniversary of its iconic Mega from the 1990s, Strosek Auto Design just unveiled its newest project. But this time, the new Mega will be a coupe rather than a speedster. The German company started with a regular 964 and created a striking wide-body kit as well as a number of performance upgrades for the water-cooled 911 to create the new Mega 30, of which only 30 units will be produced. This kit has flared wheel arches in both the front and rear, which significantly changes how the car sits on the road. Other exterior modifications to Strosek's most recent Porsche include the installation of new wing mirrors, custom front and rear bumpers, eye-catching side skirts, and the availability of a sizable rear wing. New camshafts, a custom air intake, a tuned ECU, a 100-cell catalytic converter, and a sports exhaust system are among the vehicle's other performance upgrades. Mega 30 models can be upgraded to have 450 horsepower engines for those who want more power than the base 300 horsepower model offers. There is also a newer 6-speed manual available. Before we go to the number 1 on this list, here's the fun fact of this video. Did you know that in the year 1900, Porsche produced an electric vehicle? Without a formal engineering education, Ferdinand Porsche created Loaner Porsche, the first electric vehicle in history in 1900. And now for number 1. The 928 Ultra Wing. Some contemporary supercars have become known for having upward opening doors. However, the technology has been around for a while, and because of classic examples like this, Strosek is acknowledged as one of its pioneers in the global aftermarket scene. Projector headlamps and stunning scissors doors are just a couple of the amazing features on this 1992 Strosek-built Porsche 928 Ultra Wing. Along with other incredible features, this modified S4928 adopted a flying buttress rear deck, just like the Strosek 944. Which one would you like to own? Give your opinion in the comments. Did you enjoy this video? Then please like and subscribe for more of the best new vehicle videos here at Finest Vehicles.